떠나는 길에 네가 내게 말했지 너는 바라는 게 너무나 많아 잠깐이라도 날 안 바라보면 머리에 불이 나버린다니까.
Hi! Kinakabahan pa kami kaya namin malilate kami. Hindi pa lang bago pala namin. Nice overthinker. Tagal pa.
Do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening.
Hey! Nakita ko yung Siargao kanina. Yung ano, full top na antique. Ang ganda. Ayan.
Hindi naman ma'am. Depende lang sa naka-booking. Sige lang po.
Sino tayo, Sarah? No. Ano ba yung kalamit ko tubig yung air ko? Wala kong salamin na maliit. Hindi yung... Paano may kita na siya lagay? Ang what? Ha? Oh. Wala kong ayos ko. Oh. You're gonna go. Take again. Yeah. Sabi mo, hindi ka gagawin. We're gonna ayos. We're gonna go outside. Oops. There is a... Ano to? I can't make it tayo. Ayun. I'm gonna take a sunset pic. And take pictures pa. You just woke up because you're so fucking bright. Huh? I just follow the line. Guys, kanina, our room, yung aircon biglang, yung cover ng aircon biglang nahulog. Like, what the fuck is happening? Tapos yung door is nag-alarm. I don't know, I don't recommend this hotel. May gawin namin ito pinili. I look like shit. Oh shit. I don't feel pretty with this guy.
What? Happy what? Wala, oh my gosh. Ang valuable na
Guys, we didn't swim sa ocean kasi ang daming lumot, right? Rate your first day.
8 out of 10.
For me, it's 7 because we sleep lang. We're so tired, tas we sleep lang. We
it's
slept,
the
I mean,
best
we
sleep
slept.
I had this week.
Good morning, you're...
Alam niyo ba kung ilang oras yung tulog namin? 2 hours. 2 freaking hours. 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Kasi we go to, pumunta kami ng bar, tapos may lumapit sa akin Indian. Pero not a typical Indian na yung tsura. Basta he's so different. Pero, like, you wanna go eat something, and then so, we get out of the bar. Tapos, kasi, anong oras na? 11 p.m. mag-12. 11 something. Tapos, pumunta kami sa labas, girl. Yung open lang is yung heart, main heart. Tapos, binigyan niya, girl, alak. Tapos, pumunta kami sa matulog. Tapos, sa baba lang din kami. Tapos, girl, sabi ko na, gusto niya lang ganun lang. So, pumunta kami. Tapos, bumalik ulit kami sa bar mga 1. Charming, ganyan. Tapos, wala ang boring talaga. Hindi na kagaya nung sa una. And we also saw Heaven Parallel. She's there with her friends. But yeah, today magkaan tayo. We're gonna, natin, 8 a.m. So nga naman gumising kasi kakain pa kami ng breakfast at mag-ayos. So yeah. I hope na maging... Pero wala pa talaga akong pang-Instagram pic. Like, walang birthday pics. Bukas ko lang magkakanis. Anyway.
view. Girl, ikaw na.
First ISIS.
Yan. First seasons. Netflix. We're gonna go island hopping.
Ano kayo? Event ko muna yung panmama yung island hopping nyo. Sa island na paling kanan na. It's all
Ayan si Kuya yung tour guide. Puka.
Ice cream po, ma. Solo, wala.
No! Bakit ka nagtatago? Ka nagtatago? Guys, nagtatago siya.
Si Jenny.
We're at Puka Beach.
Here about 30 minutes lang po tayo dito. After 30 minutes, lunch po tayo.
Yes, we're gonna go snorkeling. Okay na po yun. Thank you.
Laway mo dyan. Laway.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Guys, ayun yung hotel namin.
Okay na po.
Doon na lang.
Diyan tanan.
Girl, uwi na kami.
I can't be your love. Look is too trivial for you now. Oh, my life is falling apart. Maybe no one will notice if I disappear. But